creating some ridiculous transparent stickers. So first I drafted this design in Procreate and began inking the outlines. This is on a A4 size canvas. I then coloured this all in using my usual colour palette. I then added in some details and shadowing. For stickers you don't really need to add an outline like I'm doing here, especially transparent stickers, but I just prefer the look of it. It also means your Cricut is less likely to slice some of the edge off. I know a lot of people use another way of doing this, but I actually like the scruffiness of it. Forgot to add some of the shadowing here to the jar. You then just need to get rid of the background by deselecting the background layer in Procreate. Click Actions, which is the wrench in the top left, select Share, then PNG. This will ensure your sticker has a transparent background. Load up your Cricut and select New Project, Blank Canvas. I'm using the Cricut Explorer 2. First thing I'm going to do here is add a square into the canvas to serve as a reference for the size of an A4 sheet, so I know how big I can make the sticker. I set the width to 21 and the height to 30. I then click on the upload button from the left hand menu and drag and drop the image in and select continue. There's an option to remove the background of an image, but on this occasion we can just continue. Select flat graphic as we're using the print and cut feature. You can add a name to your project here if you need to. Your image will then be added to the canvas. You just need to resize this against the A4 reference square we added earlier. Once you're happy with the size of the sticker, you can then delete the reference square and select Make. Save it if you want to. You should now have an image that fits nicely within an A4 sheet. Select Continue, Send to Printer, Next. This is an important step as you need to make sure to select System Dialog so you can change your printer preferences. Then select Print. I use this transparent glossy vinyl which I ordered from Amazon UK. When putting this in the printer, just make sure to put the glossy side facing downwards. When the printer preferences option appears, I select best quality and use a glossy paper option for my printer. Select OK and print to send it to the printer. I'm using the HBMV Photo 6234, which is an inkjet printer. Tip is to leave this dry for 5 minutes so you don't smudge the ink. Place the sticker sheet on the Cricut mat, ensuring the sheet is right in the corner, and load the mat into your Cricut. I have the base material set to Fabric Plus as I find the sheets can be quite thick. You can then press the Make button on your Cricut machine. If you're lucky, you should be able to just peel off the background. And you should be left with a huge sticker. It should peel off pretty easily and you just need to find somewhere ridiculous to put it.